this is what we do when we crave barbecue in Mombasa.
I'm Nyambula. We are from Nagis The Rights. We are found at Mombasa Sports Club on Friday. Welcome.
Thank you. Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my hair is a hot mess. Let's just call it a hot mess, or even if it's a mess. So yeah, today we are at Mombasa Sports Club and I'm craving barbecue. I just want barbecue and I'm so hungry right now. Aisha is super hungry as well. Aisha, bring your face over here. They want to see you. They want to see you. Hi guys. So yeah, we're just waiting actually for the person who has called us. I'm actually super early because we're so hungry that we came so early. So yeah, we're going in right now and then I'll show you guys where I'll be eating. I think she's called Nargis Caterers. So yeah, I'm super excited and I'm hungry. So let's go in. If you guys want to see this video, then please keep watching. Aisha's in like a lemon today. She's a lemon today. She looks super cute, guys. Guys, we just made it to Mombasa Sports Club. I think it's my first time here. I think I'm not positive, but I think I've come here before, like way before before I shifted to Mombasa. Let's go in. Yummy. I'm already craving this. Guys, so we are here. This is the sitting. Super excited because we're hungry. So it's still early. I think it's like, what time is it? Still like 6 o'clock, guys. So they're about to start right now. And as I said, I was super early. So I think that's where they do the barbecue. So guys, as we wait for our meal to be prepared, we're just enjoying the nice atmosphere. The place is so nice. So they have gym over here, they have like a swimming pool, they do splash and all that fun stuff. Hockey and stuff. What?
Just for members.
Yeah, just for members, but I mean, if you have a friend who is a member, you guys can like come together. You can enter with your friend, so that's a good advantage to that. So yeah, that's a good so they have everything over here. Basically, obviously it's a club, obviously they have everything. Plus they have different kinds of choma also over here, like of the club themselves. And I'm sure they have a menu as well of the restaurant. So yeah guys, let's wait for the food. We are excited and hungry. Sure, say you're hungry. Say you're hungry.
I'm not.
Yeah, but I am. So guys, this is her menu and that is her WhatsApp number and her contact as well if you want delivery on Fridays. So that is the menu. Pretty affordable. Vipingo Mishkaki 5 sticks for 200. Wow. Delicious cupcakes. Yum. I love these, by the way.
I saw your video.
I love. Oh, you saw it?
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
His mom is my good friend. So.
Oh, really? That's nice. I'm a foodie. The Black Forest looks very nice, very delicious. I know you want to. So that's all you have for today?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're here every Friday? That's nice. So we'll have 2 of these, yeah. Should we just have 3? Even I'll have half, that's why I'm scared. Yeah, 2 are enough. Thank you.
You put
Could you carry my phone, please? Let's take them. I'll pay you guys. Let's take them to the table. Wow, guys, look at this. That's crazy.
Sometimes happens.
Yeah. Taking our babies. We finally reached the table. There's a birthday behind me, so I'm celebrating with them, guys. It's just that I'm not getting cake from that side. I bought my own cake, but I'm still celebrating with them. It's good. It's good, guys. Yum. I'm actually hungry. She just made a joke, guys. No, she was like, people are coming here to. I don't look so dark. People are coming here to like exercise and stuff like that, but and then there's like delicious cakes over there. So the people who come here to exercise, to like walk and do hockey and all that, like how do you guys then keep up with the cake? You don't see the cake? That's what Aisha is asking. These are dal bhajiyas. Yum. I love dal bhajiyas. When I see dal bhajiyas, I remember my mom because she loves dal bhajiyas. Okay, so we're gonna try that first.
Yeah.
Packed potatoes, everyone's favorite in Mombasa. Wow, they look so crispy. Yum. So there's a few chutneys over here and packed potatoes as I showed you guys, and the dal bhajiyas. Let's try. The first thing we're trying is the packed potatoes, which looked amazingly crispy as I showed you guys. And I've mixed all the chutneys. There's this, I think this is a coconut chutney, there's a bomb chutney, and then there's a white chutney. I think it's a dahi chutney or something like that. Let's mix this. The fact that it's hot and delicious. Let's try the dal bhajia, which is also hot. Dal bhajia is supposed to be eaten with the coconut chutney, but I've just mixed up my flavors over here. What's this?
Kachori.
That's kachori, okay. This is delicious. So the next thing is the kachori. This is hot. I'm scared to even bite it. I feel like I'll burn my mouth. But let's try. It's really good. It has potatoes inside, and I think peas, and like it's a mixture of, like, you know, when you're buying samosas, it's a mixture of that with a bit of, it's a bit sweet. I mean, that's how kachori is supposed to be. So yeah, that's good. So this is mushkaki, the normal mushkaki, and this is malai tikka. Wow.
Malai tikka, mushkaki.
This barbecue looks yummy. I'm excited. So these are the beef kebabs.
Yeah.
Why do they look different?
Mutton
Mutton.
Mutton kebab and
Yeah.
Momadi kebab.
This is Muhammad kebab.
Oh, mandi kebab and mutton kebab.
No, this is sikh kebabs.
Yeah.
And this is Momadi, that's called job kebabs.
Yeah, I was
Small,
looking
small.
at it in your menu. I was wondering what
Yeah,
it
this
is.
job kebabs.
Oh, this is my first time trying that then.
Yeah.
Yum. Girl, let's go.
Oh my god.
My food is walking with me. Hi, food. Wow, it really looks delicious. I'm excited.
Yeah.
So what's like the best seller from these? The ones that is bought the most?
This one.
The chicken tikka, yeah? Okay.
The breast is 350 and
Yeah.
the leg we have 300.
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah.
First thing we're trying is the paneer tikka, guys. Wow, my eyes just went on this, like, let me not lie, it just looks so red, so delicious, and I don't know, I love paneer. You guys love paneer, I love paneer, to be honest. So let's try this. Oh my god, so soft, yummy. So I'm going to be taking it with the capsicum. Just dip it in your sauce. So I've put the bomb chutney and my other sauces from before, all mixed up. My first bite. Paneer tikka. It's honestly my favorite, and I've not had it for such a long time. So it's like a must eat, man. I love paneer tikka. It tastes so good. It has like the chicken tikka masala, right?
Yeah.
It's so delicious, so delicious. I have to eat another one, guys. It's too delicious. So the next thing we are trying is this is the beef mishkaki, yeah? Mishkaki is everyone's favorite in Mombasa, we all know that. Everyone loves mishkaki. So let me have that with a chutney. Really nice. I'm not leaving this for you. Really good. Really impressed. I love it. It's pretty late, guys. It's already become dark, so please don't mind the darkness. So the first thing, the next thing we're having is the malai tikka. Wow. So I'm gonna try this. Yum. This is delicious. It's so soft. This is chicken, by the way, just so you know. This is chicken, and it's like, it has dai. It's usually made in dai, so that's why it's soft. And yeah, yogurt. Yogurt, guys, dai is yogurt. Wow, this is my favorite already. I'm not even lying. This is literally a great place to like chill here, have your dinner, and just sit, watch football. As you can see, it's a nice chilling place, guys. So the next thing we are having is the Mamadi kebab, which I said I have never tried. It's my first time trying this, and they're like small little kebabs that look like this, very small and cute. So let's take a bite. That was soft. This doesn't have a lot of spices. I would say it's like really mild, and it has the taste of onions, which is really nice. Delish. So the next thing is the seekh kebabs, which are my favorite. So I'm excited to try this. Yummy! Seekh kebabs are just delicious. Why lie? I love the taste of their seekh kebabs. They're very delicious. So the last thing we are trying is the chicken tikka. I don't know if you can see it in the dark, but I took a video before, so yeah, that's the chicken tikka. So they have we ordered the breast piece. I love the color of the chicken tikka, This I have to dip it in sauce, guys. Just want to have a bit of sauce. This is different. This is really good, guys. It's really different, really tasty. Tastes exact like the authentic chicken tikka that you're looking for. Yum. Yummy. So guys, we just ate our food and it was delicious. Oh my god, like I can't believe how delicious it was. And this is what we do when we crave barbecue in Mombasa. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, it was nice.
What was your favorite?
I like the malai tikka.
I know, also I love the malai tikka.
Yeah.
I love the malai tikka and
the paneer.
And the paneer. Wow, the paneer was just amazing. It's a must have, let me not lie. The chicken tikka, wow guys. So if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and yeah,
Stay safe.
and stay safe. And I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I'll see you guys
In the next one.
in the next
Bye.
one. Bye.